Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are taking those big goals and breaking them down into manageable little tasks. So let's get straight into it. Big goals can feel intimidating. When we look at them as a whole, it's easy to get overwhelmed and lack motivation. But when you break them down into smaller manageable tasks, you'll gain clarity and momentum. By focusing on small steps, it becomes less daunting and much more achievable. Okay, so before you break your goals down, you need to clarify your big goal. What do you want to accomplish? You want to be crystal clear in making your goals. Write it down. The clearer the goal is, the easier it is to break it down. Without clarity, you might not know where to start. So think about the big chunks of your goal. What are the milestones you're going to reach for? These are like checkpoints and should feel significant but not overwhelming. For example, if your goal was to write a book, your big milestone might be the outline or the first draft. These milestones give you a clear target to reach for. So then you want to take your milestone and break it down even further. What specific tasks can help you reach that milestone? For example, with writing the book, you might say setting aside time during the day to actually write. And you might want it to be so many words, so like 500 words a day. Focus on what you can do now to help you get to that next step. Now that you have tasks, set a timeline. You want to prioritize your steps and give yourself a realistic schedule. Do not try to do everything at once. Break your tasks into daily, weekly, or monthly goals and stay flexible. The key to staying motivated is not to overwhelm yourself. Set clear deadlines for each task to keep moving forward. As you progress, it's important to check in your actions and adjust if necessary. Sometimes life throws curveballs, and that's perfectly normal and okay. Just check in with your goals and revisit if it's not working for you anymore. It's okay to make changes if necessary. By tracking your progress, you can also celebrate the small wins. Celebrating the small wins helps you stay motivated and reminds you that you are making progress towards that big goal. So there you have it, breaking big goals into small, tiny, manageable steps. That is the secret to achieving your dreams, one small step at a time. Remember, it's all about clarity, planning, and staying flexible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Drop a comment down below telling me what your big goal is and how you're going to break it down into manageable tasks. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye guys.